The Chief Minister of Assam, Himanta Biswa Sarma, had inaugurated the Karbi Hemtun and laid foundation for the 100-bedded Students Hostel cum commercial building in Shillong on the 13th of September 2023. Also present during the event was the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K Sangma, the Chief Executive Member of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous District Council, Tuliram Ronghang, dignitaries from the Karbi Anglong District of Assam, besides those from the Government of Assam and Meghalaya.
Today we in the program of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous District Council, after the guest house was inaugurated there, the Assam Chief Minister and the CEM of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous District Council and the Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya and myself, we had a small discussion on the issues of border issue that is being discussed between the two states. And as you're aware that this is an ongoing process, and every opportunity we get to discuss the matter helps us to get to a better understanding. So with that objective in mind, we took this opportunity to sit together and discuss about certain situations, certain conditions and certain issues that were coming up and how we could possibly move forward. So this is part of the exercise, part of the process. There is no definitive outcome of it, and this exercise time to time will continue.
As you know, today is a very important day for our state, Assam, because Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council could establish a nice guest house in Shillong. I thank Government of Meghalaya for facilitating establishment of that guest house, and I'd like to personally thanks once again Sri Conrad Sangma, Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, and Snabalandhar, Honorable Deputy CM Meghalaya, for gracing the occasion. As I was in Shillong, or I am in Shillong, I thought it proper to pay a visit to Sri Conrad Sangma ji. I met him. We discussed the ongoing works on the regional committees. There are a lot of progress. Recently, we could finally agreed on the survey post of on Hahim. Finally, it has been resolved that both Government of Meghalaya and Assam could agreed on the border post. So there are a lot of progress is happening on both sides. We discuss about confidence building measure too. But today, as discussion was very unofficial and informal, we don't want to announce some decisions or something like that. Only thing is to say that this informal meeting will be followed by a formal meeting, and then of course, whenever we meet formally, we take some decision and we communicate to the press. So today meeting between the Chief Minister of Assam and Meghalaya can be treated as one of the confidence building measure, and I'd like to request our people in the both side of border to maintain peace, harmony, because they must remember that we are working overtime to resolve the dispute. We want to keep the best interest of people living in the both side of the border in our mind. We want to protect interest of the people living in border. So be calm, remain in peaceful, remain in peace, help us. We'll try to resolve the dispute to the satisfaction of both the people of Assam and Meghalaya. So we thought that our visit should not create tension, because if we both CM goes to the area and after our return there is a fresh tension, then people will blame us. So we want to quickly evolve some confidence building measures, and we hope to do that. That is why we said today. Thereafter we will have a formal meetings. Once that confidence building measures are formalized, we will both go to the site and we will discuss with the people of border village also. When we went to Lampi, there was a lot of festivity. So we want to go to the Karbi Anglong and Jaintia Hills also with the same kind of festivity. So they are meeting now, but as we told you that this 6 area is a little bit complicated. So this regional committee, they are both headed by the matured people on both the side. They are working very hard. They are visiting those areas frequently. And we believe that everything will be settled in a most peaceful and amicable manner.
Sir,